She's 2 weeks and 4 days old. Kakatapos niya lang tumain ng pagkadami-dami. It's almost 12.
She won't sleep.
She was sleeping the entire day and now she's up. Fully awake, alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. And she will not let us sleep. Paano gagawin natin?
Wala, isaswaddle ko. Hanggang mapagod siya kaka-resist.
Swaddling doesn't work on her.
Hindi, nilulubangan ko talaga eh. Kasi ayoko siyang masyadong matrap.
Yeah. Shucks, pareho talaga kami, no? Ayaw niya rin natatrap. You're just like mommy. I really hate it. Pretty. Ang taba mo. 2 linggo ka pa lang. Look at those cheeks. Tatay ka pa bukas, feeling ko. Laki ng tiyan mo eh. We love you. Good night. Sleep tight.
Para naman siyang stuffed toy.
Sleep tight. Oh, she's duling again. When you grow up, you're gonna see this and you're just gonna laugh.
Tapos di niya kaya yung ulo niya.
Uy, galing niya na nga mag-tummy time eh.
Ayan.
Oh. Para siya yung dashboard dog.
Ayan. Parang nagko-collapse lang yung ulo sa buong katawan.